All right, so this farmer here, for example, 5A. In 2009, we have the average cost of a traditional Thanksgiving dinner for 10, featuring turkey, stuffing, cranberry, pumpkin pie, and trimmings, was on average $42.91, which was a decrease of 3.8% over the cost in 2008. What was the cost to the nearest cent in 2008? All right, so we know what the price of 2009 average cost was. So in 2009, we know that it cost $42.91. However, in 2008, we don't know what that is. We don't know yet. So let's see if we can make sense of some kind of equation right now. So see if you can follow me here. So if you start in 2008, whatever that price was, so in 2008 we have some kind of price, and then we decrease by 3.8%. So whatever that is, that's going to be equal to our new price in 2009. Okay, our price in 2008, subtract 3.8%, and that equals our new price in 2009. That's basically what this is saying right here. So we know what 2009 is $42.91. So we can replace 2009 with $42.91. But we don't know 2008. So I'm going to give that the variable x then. X is the average cost in 2008. We don't know what it is. And then for 3.8, you just don't put minus 3.8%. You actually have to multiply it by the original right here, because you're going to be taking 3.8% of this. 2008 minus 3.8% of this, so it's minus 0.038 of x. And again, you write any decimal, or I'm sorry, any percent as a decimal by moving the decimal over twice. So 1, 2, that's why it's 0.038 and then x. All right, so now we have an equation here. 1 minus 0.038 will give us a 0.962x, and that equals to 42.91. So using our calculator here, I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 0.962. All right, and our answer then is $44 and 60 cents. And again, I'm rounding to the nearest cent right there, so just 60. We're not worried about the 61, 62, or 63, but just 60. So, but now let's just make sure that this makes sense. We just don't want to just go along and say, okay, hopefully that's right. Let's see if it makes sense here. So again, we have our equation right here. In 2008, we're going to minus or subtract 3.8%, and that should equal 2009. So in 2008, that price we're saying is this, $44.60. Now let's subtract 3.8% of this, which means 0.038 times 44.60, and that all better equal the price of 2009, and that's $42.91. Okay, so I'm just giving you a baseline of how you can check your answer here. So we're just going back to the original equation, making sure that this makes sense. When we plug in $44.60, the left side should be equivalent to the right side, and when you do all the math using your calculator, you will get that for sure.